Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at a 2026 Can-Am Defender Max Limited Lonestar. We did a fun build on this one. Wanted to do a walk around, show you a little bit about what we've done. We've got a couple cool things going on right off the get-go. That is the Can-Am 15-inch dual row light bar. It is super bright. And then we have these trail lights here that are part of the RYCO Street Legal kit. They broadcast a lot of side light over this way. Of course, you got the cool Can-Am signature lighting there. Their low beam and high beam lighting is bright as it is. We do have the fender flare extensions on here from Can-Am, the Can-Am trucker mirrors, and check this out. We got the Tusk bead locks. Oh yeah, what do you think about these tires, baby? They are the Pro Armors in the 3310 15s. They set it off really, really well. On the inside, we do have the under storage compartments, center in the front, center in the back. You've got the one that comes with it and an additional one in the back. You got heat, AC, and all that fun jazz. You guys know all of that. You got the full overhead audio, the light speakers light up. Here on the back, we've got that awesome Kolpin rack. Check that out for the Defender and Defender Max models. You got the RYCO Street Legal license plate back there. Do you guys want to see how the Street Legal kit works? Also on this model, before I hop to that, we did do a wheel spacer on the back. Once you take off those stock tires and wheels and throw on a nice set like this, you're going to want to get a spacer on that back so your front tires and rear tires are spaced out appropriately. So with the RYCO kit, look how clean and custom this is. A little bit of work to get that done, just gonna let you know. But down will be left, indicator lights up on the dash to let you know the turn signals are on. And check that out. Very, very nice. It integrates very well into this bumper assembly. I'll show you on the unit behind what it looks like stock. So take that light and understand, oh, we got one on this one as well. So I can't show you that. But it does fill in this space very nice on that stock bumper. The RYCO kit ties into the stock tail lights, illuminating all those bright LEDs in the back. Looks super nice. 435-427-3338. Oh, wait. I forgot to tell you, we did some Evo stuff on this one. We did the Evo tune and Evo clutching. Makes a huge difference, especially at our elevation and with this tire size. If you'd like more info on that, or if you'd like us to build you a Defender just like this one, give us a call, 435-427-3338. Have a great day, everybody.